How to use First Class Travel Visa Infinite Card properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. The First Class Travel Visa Infinite Card is designed for frequent travelers, but beginners often miss out on its benefits or incur unnecessary fees. Here's how to use it properly. Most people get this wrong. They focus only on points accumulation. The surprising truth is that redeeming points strategically can multiply their value. Always check airline partners, transfer ratios and redemption fees before booking travel. Another common mistake is missing the annual fee. This card comes with a fee, but it's offset if you use perks like travel insurance, lounge access and purchase protection. Calculate whether the benefits outweigh the cost based on your travel habits. Many users also neglect travel insurance coverage. The card includes comprehensive travel and medical insurance, but you must activate it and pay for trips with the card. Not doing so means missing out on free protection. Using the card for cash advances is another trap. High fees and interest rates apply, and points are not earned on cash withdrawals. Stick to purchases to maximize rewards. Finally, beginners often forget to monitor foreign transaction fees. While this card has no foreign transaction fees, paying attention to currency conversion and merchant charges ensures you truly save. In conclusion, using the First Class Travel Visa Infinite Card properly means redeeming points strategically, leveraging travel perks, activating insurance, avoiding cash advances and monitoring foreign spending. Following these steps ensures maximum value and a worry-free travel experience.